No, we ain't slowing it down.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with a good friend of mine. You might know him from a certain video, you know. Oh my god. A fucking crab. Sneaky, bro. Sneaking 10. You know, Project Tunes is all about different genres, different styles. So I'm thinking, why not just include different things in the content too? We got the curve, man. Follow the curve. Yeah, what we need for this shit, man?
We need some cream.
Mm-hmm.
That's for the sauce.
For the sauce.
And some onion.
Some onions. Some cream and some onions. You heard it here first, guys. Cream and fucking onions. Just cream and onions for the sauce. I'm brain dead. I don't know how to cook. We're
vibing.
We're musicians, man. We can't be doing this. But oh yeah.
What else do we need?
Fall le curve ketchup.
Nej.
But then how do you make it red? Tomato puree.
Is that pocket-sized brick of cocaine?
Pocket-sized brick, bro. Hey, that's actually genius. That's actually genius. Cartel, if you want to steal this idea, you're free to. If you want to follow along in this recipe, Swiss.
Kiko man. We got that Kiko man, right?
Wait, actually, Kiko. This sounds almost like Coco. Which reminds me, here, this is if you. For context, we've been working. We've been making music. Here's a couple of clips. The song I used in my vlog, the Charlie Chaplin thing, that's this guy singing that. This is the song if you don't remember it. It's amazing. So these songs, expect them soon. Yeah, I'm living. There's a bar in that song. Shits on the block, no pissing.
They don't know.
They don't know?
They'll never know. Figure it out.
Figure it out. Shits on the block, no pissing.
Figure it out. What does it mean? What the fuck is he saying? Is he retarded or a genius? Or are you just a retard? We need a W sauce.
WD-40.
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 We're WD. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
We got Worcestershire.
That should be right here.
Worcestershire.
Isn't this the Worcestershire?
Yeah, that's the Leah Perkins Worcestershire sauce. That W right there. W brings the food alive. 18 months matured. Just like I like my. I'm sorry.
No, it's like the fucking Dante from the Amsterdam vlog again. Fucking, we have this bag.
I have my bag right here to put them in.
Yeah, you do the onions.
I learned how to cut onions the other day. We made some insane. We didn't take any picture of it. We should have. That shit was busting. We had some Mongolian beef. This motherfucker came in clutch. Shit was delicious, bro.
With EU regulations, this gonna end up on the fucking bread aisle.
Yeah, wait, actually, we got this hot dog.
This is the chicken nugget of sausages.
This is yeah. What a fucking good description. This is, yeah, chicken nugget of sausages. So you die if you eat it raw, same way.
Hell no. We're gonna strimla. Just strimla den företagen. Slice that bad boy up. Like a Wu-Tang Clan. As a shout out to my boy who cut his dick off on PCP. This is like a strimlad. We're strimling it.
You know when you streaming the cheese. Karl Stroganoff is Swedish, right?
The original Stroganoff was a Russian general.
Yes.
Who apparently had really bad teeth. So he made this because it was easy on his teeth.
Yeah.
And then the Swedes came and they were like, oh, let's put spam in it.
Bruv. The explanation, we put a little bit of rice, a little bit of the spam.
Like, Swedish butter chicken.
The analogies. That is, yeah, it's a Swedish butter chicken.
Shout out to Uncle Roger. We're gonna make this rice good, man. We got the rice cooker, Uncle.
And we got the fucking...
Can you read that? Because I can't. Now, if that ain't OG, I don't know what is.
If this doesn't make it good, I don't know what will. Homeboy lived in China.
你好吗？
我的名字是 Elio。你叫什么名字吗？
不知道那个。
It was this one.
What is this? That ain't no strip. The trip? That ain't no strip.
My guy made strips and then I come along, bro.
He dicing it. We need the cutting on the board.
Yeah, bro, I'm really fucking this up.
Yeah. Check it out.
Alright, you cut it in half, then you cut the halves in half.
And then you half the half with another half. That's the young guy on cutting board. I don't know where to find this.
Spoken
into existence, you see that? Ask the Lord and he shall provide.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look what I'm doing. Oh, look now. Look now. Oh damn! What the fuck?
Oh, la, 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 la.
Oh, it's incroyable. It's fantastic.
Another side cut. This is Michelin star fucking dicing the onion.
Fucking
Dicing the fucking onion. Gordon Ramsay style. Porco dio, giro da campo. My grandmother was a bicycle.
My grandmother was a bicycle.
If my grandmother was a bicycle, I would ride her. La maremma buona per strada. Vada sta fiera artigiana there.
Keep on rolling.
I'm about to cut you so.
No, we ain't
Palm
slowing
spaghetti.
it down.
Knees weak, palm spaghetti.
Moving,